FBA, Keyword Research Tool. An FBA keyword research tool is a specialized software designed to help Amazon sellers discover the most effective search terms customers use when shopping on the platform. For Fulfillment by Amazon FBA sellers, keyword research is the foundation of product visibility and sales growth. The tool analyzes data such as search volume, competition, and ranking difficulty to help sellers choose high-performing keywords that drive more traffic and conversions to their listings. The best keyword research tools not only identify top-performing search terms, but also uncover hidden, low-competition keywords that competitors may overlook. These insights allow sellers to optimize product titles, bullet points, and back-end search terms strategically. By using accurate data-backed keywords, sellers improve their chances of ranking higher in Amazon search results, which leads to increased organic sales and reduced ad spending. Popular FBA keyword research tools include Helium 10, Jungle Scout, and Viral Launch, each offering unique features such as keyword tracking, reverse ASIN lookup, and profitability analysis. These tools help sellers understand customer search behavior and optimize listings for long-term success. Consistent keyword updates ensure products remain competitive even as market trends change. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to powerful keyword research tools to help you discover, analyze, and dominate profitable FBA search terms like a pro.